Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here.
I said my labyrinth, I'm on that for fun. I said it, boyfriend and girlfriend, they baby, they new kunu, they bit that sweet, been enough around, yeah. I said my woman been enough for fun.
Welcome if you are new and to my old family, OGs, welcome back. So in today's video, I am back with another skincare. Yes, so I got Vanity Planet. Yes, I got the spin brush. Okay, so if you remember in my skincare routine, my nice skincare routine, I showed you guys my old beat up Vanity Planet brush and I needed a new one. So that's how this baby girl was born. Okay, it was way overdue. I needed a new one. I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Wow, so it has a 360 head, it has a dual spin and 3 brush head. Okay, this is a different style from the one I had. The one I had on, they wanted me to pre-order because I did want to order it, but I guess it wasn't available, so they wanted me to pre-order. Ain't nobody got time to be pre-ordering, okay? At least I don't. Come on. Okay, it wasn't trying to come out. Just the guard book in here. This packaging is much more smaller than the, I don't know if I should call it the original, but the picture right here, than that one. This one is even more travel friendly. I feel like it will fit in a carry-on. And if you don't know about Vanity Planet, their brushes are so good. You can use it in the shower. All right, I love that about that. You can just go in the shower and rub your makeup off and things like that. So the heads, I'm just gonna open the book because it's been a minute. Okay, it's what it looks like in here. It takes 2 AA battery that I know, and this is how you open it and then close it right up. Water will not get in there, I guarantee you. And even if water touch it, it doesn't spoil because it's meant to be in the shower. So this is the daily cleansing brush. This is the brush head that you can use every day, or if you have sensitive skin, because they have 3 different brush heads here, you can just stick to using this brush. But me personally, I don't really use this brush because I feel like it's too soft for my liking. This is my favorite brush, the deep cleansing, the exfoliating brush, because this brush gets into every little holes. Little holes that you pores that you got on your face, and it just deep cleans it so well. Yes. Okay, and then we have the silicone head. All right, this one, I like this one too. This one is super easy to wash up, so this is what I mainly use from the old one to clean up my makeup. And I feel like this brush head is bigger, the silicone brush head is bigger than the old one that I have, so that's really good. Okay, so yeah, so here's what we're gonna do. Right, I'm gonna take you guys to the shower with me to clean up this up in a minute. All right, let me guess, you've been watching and you're contemplating on subscribing. Come on, subscribe. I'll give you 5 seconds. You subscribe, yeah? Good choice. Hit the notification bell, because it's pointless when you subscribe and you don't hit the notification bell. You do not get notification when I upload. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Okay, so if I didn't tell you, if you're noticing the same makeup, that's because I did a video previously. That's why I'm feeling blue. Okay, like this video, comment, tell me what you think. Now let's go to the bathroom and go clean up. Welcome to my bathroom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and serve you with some forehead, because I cannot possibly remove my makeup with my hair like this, right? So like the reason why I always, like, I don't mind investing in facial brushes, because things my fingers I can't just do. My fingers cannot get into the surface, like deep cleans my skin like in those pores, but the brush can do it. Okay, so that's why I love it. There are always coupons. I will find the video that I got the coupons from, or if you just go online on YouTube, you know them on bigger beauty gurus, they usually have coupon codes. You will get it from there. So I have this product. This is Blue Mood that breaks down makeup. That's what I'm going to use. Then I will use the brush. Okay. Oh goodness. I got this actually doing when I used to be with BoxyCharm, which I definitely need to go register again because they be giving bomb product. So I'm just gonna smear that all over my face. I already put battery in here. Now I'm just gonna attach the silicone brush, and they have this is the slow setting and that's the fast one. So we're gonna keep it on a lower setting, and it's and the brush head is pretty wide, so it takes over my face nicely. This is what it looks like. Look at this. That's just one use of the brush, and my makeup is almost gone. So what I'm gonna do next is use the exfoliating brush. That is my favorite brush. I do the opposite. Okay, I use the exfoliating brush as a daily cleanser, but now this is the Silicone Head, as clean as new, and I'll just remove that, detach it, and attach the exfoliator. All right, now I'm gonna go into my black soap and turn it on to the first setting. Oh my goodness, that gets into those pores so nicely. Listen, if you do not get yourself anything expensive this year for your skin, make sure you get one of these Vanity Planet spin brush. Get this one, okay? Get this and your face will thank you and you will thank me. So soft. I can feel my pores open, like in a good way. It feels so good. Seriously, I could sit here all night or day, depending on when you're watching, and just talk to you about this. But until you get it and get the feel of it, you wouldn't know what I'm talking about. But like, skin feels super good. All right, guys, and so I will catch you in my next video. Bye.